I should have started recording sooner. This used to be a speaker that my friend had, which the charger broke and it can no longer work, and I've been dinking around with some little battery charging PCBs. I have one right here currently connected to a little lithium little LiPo battery, and that is powering a weather station I'm building. But I thought I would dink around and try to repair this. I'm just going to, in place of this circuit, I'm going to connect this battery to this little battery charging PCB, and then I have this little power jack and this little plug-in, and I'm gonna mount them in here in some way and see if that fixes it, just kind of for fun and a learning experience. So I've got a big mess going on here, but basically I've got this little power jack. I have it plugged into the wall, and that's soldered to the voltage in and ground of this little PCB. And this PCB takes that 5-volt input and converts it to 3.7 volt to charge. And then this is 3.7 volt coming off here. And that's hooked up to the positive and negative leads of this LiPo battery. The battery is, I'll show that right there. 3.7 volt, 2200 milliamp. And then from there, I just intersected the wires basically. So the battery power is still going to the onboard PCB, just like it was before. The only difference is now I have this charging PCB handling it rather than the USB charger, which used to be on there, but broke. And here are a couple pictures I took, just kind of showing exactly what I did. To be honest, it was a really simple fix, just required splicing a couple wires, a little soldering, and having the right parts on hand, which I luckily did. This obviously isn't a high quality video, but I just kind of wanted to document what I did, just so in a few years I can look back and see some old projects I made. And that's kind of what a lot of my channel is. There it is. I really had to pry it open, so I just kind of taped it back together to make it look kind of nice. The charger jack looks pretty good in the bottom there. And as you can hear, it works.